So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Is your Word table taking up too much space? Here's how to make it smaller and fit your page better. Firstly, click inside the table, then click and drag the cell borders to make the rows columns smaller. Select the table and go to Layout under Table Tools. Click Distribute Columns to make all columns the same width. You can also check Distribute Flows to make all rows the same height. Just go to Layout, then AutoFit, and choose AutoFit Contents to automatically shrink the table around its content. You can continue dragging the table borders until it fits your page exactly how you want. Now you can quickly resize your Word table and make it more compact without rebuilding it from scratch. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.